Okay.
What is that?
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, so
Hang on, let's keep that over there for a second.
let's see if we can get any more beautiful lightning.
Right there, Uncle.
Let's see. See? All the lightning flashes, see that? Hang on, Ella, get that out of the way. You watch in the clouds.
Okay, 32 seconds there. Ooh. Oh my god,
So
it's
that's
like
what's going over us right now. But it did show flashes of lightning.
honestly,
But
it's
so
like,
we've got it's quite high, bro. So there's still
oh my
a long
god.
line. Long line of cloud.
Oh, damn.
See? 10:30. It's 10:55, and it says it hits us at 10:30. Oh, that's quite a solid cloud too. It's coming down.
Just like that.
It looks pretty clear after this thing.
It's a bit bright down this part. But yeah.
It's quite far away.
Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god, the motorbike.
Showed you on that map.
I still don't know where that is.
That's the last sort of major town before Katrina.
Ooh. Oh, I can hear it.
Yeah. See, it's sort of.
Oh my, we're only 1 minute, well, 2
We
minutes
just need
through.
this rain to stop so we can see the bolts. But you could still get a bolt going through the dark.
It's pitch
No
black.
stars in sight.
It's not in human eyesight.
If this is out in the country, bro, it'd be so much cooler because you get light pollution. That's why we can see the clouds. It's from all the street lights and everything. When you're out in the farm, it doesn't light the clouds or anything up like that. So it's
Only 2
Alright,
minutes.
lightning.
Oh no, 2:30 minutes through. 2 minutes 30 seconds through. Come on, let's get some more lightning. Ooh, I think it's coming. The little rumble.
It's like, nada. Imagine one like goes right above our head, like a kilometer high.
Oh my god.
Mom would wake up and go, "What the is that?"
Easily. Wow, I was
right
actually
there.
looking. I saw it over there.
At
Some
10:30, and it's like not even half an hour later. So that main big cloud's blowing. You just get in there.
you can see the top one right here. It's a huge cloud.
Yeah, it's just that when it rains, you can't see. Well, you can see it flash and shit.
Power hacking. It's raining.
Alright, need some space.
Don't want to miss any lightning, Uncle. So we might be quick.
Where's my phone? We'll play the game.
Protocol.
The lightning.
What are you doing?
Cool bananas.
You don't control my life.
Cool bananas.
Okay, any more?
I was probably.
Like I said, then we watched the rain red. I missed it.
No, I missed.
And the best part of it is it just turned up now.
I think I missed.
Oh no, my phone will be right. It's in there recording.
Oh, got some clouds clearing up.
That's better than fireworks show. I'll have to watch lightning like that all night. These are triple chocolate fudge chocolate banana cake you're supposed to have it.
A bit of light there. Street light. Alice. Oh no, Hada. That's Uncle Sonny. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I think.
Oh, there you go. Must go back to school and tell everyone that you've seen lightning bolts and how it would. Don't lie. Oh, it's all on video.
I could.
Oh,
Oh.
sing that on your